Okay, welcome to making a multi-sig wallet on the Wax blockchain. First thing you're going to want to do is hit the login up here, and you will log in, and you want to make sure that you're logged in as the owner. So you can see here, got an active account and an owner account. Okay, that's just the key pairs you made, give you the different ones. So you want to be in your owner account, logged in. If you don't have it set up, you'll hit add account. You'll choose either Anchor or Cloud. Okay. You'll go over to wallet. We will go down to manage keys and permissions. You will go to add advanced and you will change your permissions. It shows your current permissions here. You will go to active first. Want to make sure that you're not in multi-sig mode. You'll go to active first again, and you will begin by deleting the key, public key. You will hit add new account, and depending on how many people you want to be involved in this multi-sig wallet, how many signatures you want, this number can go up or down. I don't know what the limit is, but let's say we wanted 5 people and we wanted 3 to approve. So we would need to up our threshold to say 3 people need to say yes. And each one of these has a weight. So we have 5 total. Could increase the weight. So just this person with any other person could do this. The next thing you're going to want to change now that you've added all these is you want to change these from key to account. Just going to go ahead and run through and do that. Well, I'm going to have it saved on the next one. Okay, so again, the weight is how many votes it's worth or how many of the threshold it meets. So we'll leave these all at 1. And then the next thing you do after you would your actor and your permission. So actor would be the new wallet address. And then permission is going to be either at active or at owner. And again, we're doing active first. So all these will be at active. And I'll show you on the next page here. But then you would click update permission. Now I've got it set up here. And, 1 new member, 2 new member, 3 new member, 4 new member. And again, these will be wallets. And then at active on all these because it's active, right? Again, check your threshold. I have 3, 5 of these. So then I would hit update permission. You'll sign that transaction, and then you will go to the next step. You'll get a success thing down here at the bottom after you succeed. And then the next thing is we'll go to the owner. And we'll do the same thing here. We will, once you choose owner, it automatically pops that in there. So we want to change our threshold. I'm just showing you here, I have 3. So you can put 3 in, minimum of 2, obviously, right? And so the threshold for a 3 would be a 2. It doesn't have a threshold of 2. It's like, what's the point of even doing this, right? Okay, so again, we will just update permission, and you don't have to have them match. The other thing I want to make sure to show you and make sure you remember is that even on the owner one, when you go to owner, don't forget to delete this key before you add the new accounts. Okay, it's very important that you delete that key. Okay, so again, you'll just update the permission, and I want you to notice that this one has an active here, even though we're doing the owner. Now, all of these could be active on this owner key. That actually works on this. So I just want you to know that. And more specifically, if this is a cloud wallet, and it ends in .wham, then you will want to make sure that it says active, because you may have difficulty proving anything unless you take custody of the cloud wallet. The cloud wallet is like a shared custody wallet. So if you have any questions about that, happy to let you know. Okay. And then we've got, after you do it, I just wanted to show you how the result will be. So remember I showed you the current permissions here. Well, if we look at these permissions, now we've got 3 and 3. And again, we have actives in the owner position. Okay, and that's it. And you're done. You have a multi-sig after you've done the owner and active and signed it, you've done it. Now the next step is going to be to use it, right? So let me show you this. So we're going to go here and we are in transfer tokens. Now, whatever the name of your new wallet, your multi-sig wallet you just made, we'll go here. And then any wallet you want to transfer tokens to. Obviously, the account needs tokens in it to send some. And then you can put whatever you want in the memo here, payment for reimbursement, etc. Then you will click transfer. One important thing, you want to make sure that you are in multi-sig mode, okay? And you also want to be in one of the wallets that is the new owner, right? So member 1, member 2, whatever. You can't actually do it from the new multi-sig wallet. So whatever you named your new multi-sig wallet, if you're logged in here and you try to transfer tokens, it'll give you an error and say, no, you can't. You'll have to sign in with one of your accounts that's the ones you just added, and then propose these. So you'll put the name of the wallet there to wherever it's going, and then you'll click it. Again, you need to be in multi-signature mode. When you do that, I have it set up so I can show you in real time. So we will hit, again, so I'm signed in as 4th wall digit. I'm, not in multi-sig mode. So now I'm in multi-sig mode. And this is not from me, but I'm sending it to me. So it's kind of weird, right? And I'm just sending a little bit, wax. And when I hit transfer, the MSIG proposal comes up. It's transfer, okay, actor and permission. So what I want here is the new multi-sig wallet that you created is what you'll put here. This one for me is Upland Alien H. And the permission, which will be the permission for you as well, is active. And it's coming from that wallet, which is what we want. It's going to this wallet or any wallet you choose to make it go to. It's got the quantity, the memo, and here's the info about the proposal. I've got me as the proposer. It's got a name. It just randomly pops this in. And I need to approve it, but I need to add the other 2 people that are on here. See, and that's the managed wax. So that's for the, that's weird. It's like, sometimes it'll pop all of the ones in there. So the other 2, I just happen to know because I've been using them quite a bit. And again, this is their active. And this is for 5.wham. And that is also active because that's a cloud wallet. That's very important that you, on both ends, when you're making it and when you're using this, that you do active for the cloud. And then you click propose. You'll sign the transaction. Okay, so we got our success. We got our success. Yay us. We've got our MSIG, so you can click it here to open it. I'm gonna go ahead and open the link in a new tab so I can leave this open, and you can see we got it up here. So I can look there and click this as well. So when I go in here, I've got the details. I've got 0 of 4 approved. And again, it's a 3-person thing, but this is a cloud wallet. And this is the manage.wax that, see, it's a cosigner. So when he signs this, or she or whoever has a cloud wallet signs that, it'll approve both of these at the same time. Here's where you click to approve it. You want to make sure when you do approve it that you are not in multi-sig mode. Approve it, and then once it gets, it only needs 2. So once it gets 2, then you can click execute, and boom, it'll execute the thing. When you refresh, it'll say this has been executed. All right, so that's basically from the beginning of end, creating a multi-sig and then sending tokens with it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We were happy to bring this to you from Planet Ike, Alien Worlds, and the Upland Aliens, and of course, Fourth Wall Digital. Thanks for watching.